The Retevis RA27 Marine Radio GPS offers a solid fixed mount design with a built-in global positioning system that can share your position with other compatible devices for safer navigation. Its digital selective calling distress feature can quickly broadcast your emergency and coordinates to nearby vessels and coast stations, which adds real peace of mind in rough conditions. Integrated National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration weather monitoring automatically alerts you to severe forecasts, helping you avoid storms and changing marine hazards. The clear dot matrix liquid crystal display and straightforward controls make the unit easy to read and operate, even when the boat is moving or the lighting is poor. With support for United States, Canadian, and international marine channels, plus strong transmit power, this radio delivers dependable communication over long distances on busy waterways. A rugged waterproof housing, compact footprint, and included mounting bracket make installation simple and help the radio stand up well to spray, splashes, and everyday use on the water.